Your tires are critical to the safety, performance, and fuel efficiency of your Lexus, which is why it is important to have them inspected frequently. Regular tire rotation is one of the best ways to extend the life of your tires by helping you achieve more uniform wear and enhance vehicle handling. Alignment is also important to help prevent tire damage. In addition to extending tire tread life, proper alignment also enhances ride comfort and increases stability at high speeds. But depending on your driving habits and tire usage, a replacement may be necessary. There are a number of indicators that will tell your Lexus Academy trained technician it may be time to replace your tires, including abnormal wear patterns, cracks, damaged sidewalls or beads, tread damage or exposed cords, irreparable punctures, bulges on the sidewall, and belt shifting. The Lexus Tire Center offers advanced tire technology and exceptional knowledge of your Lexus to give you the best recommendation. Thank you for taking an inside look at your Lexus.